3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing with its impact on design freedom, rapid prototyping, cost savings, localized production, customization, and sustainability. It enables the production of complex designs, reduces prototyping time and costs, and allows for on-demand manufacturing. 3D printing also offers benefits such as localized production, customization options, and supply chain resilience. It has applications in various industries, including healthcare, and fosters innovation and creativity. Overall, 3D printing has transformed manufacturing processes, driving efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability.